Hello, Godzilla here. You can probably tell from the title of this video that this is a review. That's probably why you're watching it. And you're wondering why I'm not using my usual camera angle. It's because this thing is kind of big, and I think it'd be easier just to review it this way. Today, it is the Godzilla puppet. This gives you a better perspective of its size, as you can see on my arm. And just to let you know, I have two of these. And why should that matter in a review? I'm going to get to that. So, here's the Godzilla puppet. I'll just do this one. Detail. It's very, very nice, actually. Looking at these, skin things in here and all these little bulbs on his arm. Under the neck, there's lots of detail. I'm going to try to keep this as still as possible so you can see the detail on my webcam, because I'm not sure how good the quality is. Let's look at his hands, actually. His hands look really cool. Lots and lots of detail. His head, let's look at the top of his head. Again, lots of detail. Just overall, very, very well detailed figure. Not a figure, a puppet. This guy is made out of, kind of a rubberish material. Kind of, yeah, you can see he's squishy. This one is supposed to make noise, actually. If you look in the top of the mouth, there's a little sound box. And when you put your hand in, my fingers up in the top jaw, there's like a little button right above the sound box that you press. It's supposed to like roar or something, I don't know. This one is long dead though, so. Detail is very, very good. Let's get on to the paint job. The sides up through the arms are this kind of grayish color here. Top of his head down the spines is murky blue. Same with under his neck. He's also got these yellow highlights right here. His teeth are bone white. His face is kind of a soggy brown, sort of, as you can see. His nostrils are painted black. See, look at the eyes. They are yellow with black slits for pupils. So that's cool. Paint job on this guy, fantastic. Sculpt. The teeth are individually sculpted. Actually looks like really good with sculpt, the way they did it. This arm is kind of squished. Like, physically squished. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. Like here, look at this one, it's even worse. Right here. Oh well. Articulation. Well, he's made of rubber, so you can sort of like move his arms around and stuff. And obviously he's a puppet, so you can move his mouth. That's about it. I wouldn't even call that articulation, but he can be like moved around. What else? Movie accuracy. Looks good to me. Looks just about right. I'm not sure if his arms are quite right, like the way they're under him and stuff. take a look at the box for the movie. Looking on the back here, it's right here. Maybe his arms are supposed to be like that. See here, his arms are like right under his chin. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Sorry guys. So yeah, the arms look okay, I guess. It's just, it kind of looks like they put him there for, you know, I'm not even going to say that. The arms look good. I'm sorry for making a big deal about them. So, just a little recap. Detail looks really, really good. Sculpt is pretty good. Paint job is really, really good. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Anyway, detail really, really good. Sculpt great. Paint job really, really good. It's all good. It's all good. Movie accuracy, good. I want to get on to the weird thing about these guys. Well, it's strange because look at this. Look at this. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to go take care of something. Anyway, so, looking at these two, is there anything different about them at all? Let me bring them up here. Do you see anything different? If not, that's okay. The difference is, here, there are like these little black dot things coming up the side of his face. And here there aren't. You can see it like right, yeah, see? Right under his eyes. That is kind of strange. I don't know why it's like that. The truth is, it just kind of shows inconsistency between each puppet through mass production. Also, look right on the nose. This one has more paint on the nose than this one does. So that's another inconsistency. It makes these things different from puppet to puppet. That's very kind of strange. I don't know what I'm doing right now, guys. It's just weird that they're not all the same like they should be. So that's gonna lose points for that. Final thoughts. Detail on these guys, great. Paint job, great. Sculpt, just as I would expect. Good. Movie accuracy, great. Flaws, squished arms, and inconsistencies. Never done that before. So yeah, the two main flaws are the squished arms and the differences between each puppet. So because of this, I'm giving it 4.5 out of 5. Those things just brought it down, unfortunately. These guys are definitely cool. I don't really care if they're Zilla. They're cool puppets to have. Definitely consider getting them if you see them. I don't know the value or the price of them, but they're pretty cool. I'm not sure if I would get this instead of a figure. I'd honestly go for the figures, but it's a nice novelty to have. That's gonna wrap up my review 4.5 out of 5. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to request more reviews, I suppose. And I will see you on the next video.